unforgettable adventures, awe-inspiring experiences, complete adrenaline rush. WaterMate Boats builds high-quality aluminum passenger boats for the water tourism industry. These let your customers spend a bigger proportion of their time fully experiencing the sights and emotions, rather than navigating between other vessels and getting from one place to another. Thanks to its flat-stern design, WaterMate's LR9 boat is stable and does not lean over even if everyone rushes to one side. It only gives out a low stern wave, so it will not bother anyone nearby. The boat can fit up to 20 people comfortably and safely. It is suitable for shallow water and can land in difficult places effortlessly. The boat is durable and reliable. To top it all off, the boat is fuel efficient and requires less engine power. Customers' elation and big smiles are the best ad, both for you and our WaterMate boat.